Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize the following. And I realized that the negative b squared, the b squared term is at the end. So I'm going to first rearrange the expression into negative b squared minus 4b positive 21. And I'm going to take out negative 1 as the common factor. And I'm left with b squared positive 4b negative 21 because negative times positive is negative b squared. If I were to do this again, negative times positive b squared will give me back my negative b squared. Negative times positive will also give me back my negative 4b. Negative times negative will give me positive. So they are still equal to each other, alright? Then my job now is to factorize the bracket. At this point, there will be a negative outside. And so, now I'm going to position b squared and my negative 21. And I'm going to position my positive 4b at the right side of the cross chart. So b times b will give me my b squared. As for 21, it can be 1 times 21, 3 times 7, which pair, when I add or minus, will give me 4b. Yep, it will be my 7 and 3. So that I will have 7b and 3b here. And when I consider the negative sign, one of them must be the negative, right? It has to be 7 minus 3 because I need to have a positive 4b. So my 3 must be the negative. And I have my final factors out. b positive 7, b negative 3. And we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.